Hello, my name is Silvio Santa Cruz Bisuete, Bachelor in Languages, Spanish and English, with specializations in pedagogy and informatics and telematics. A first certificate in English with Cambridge University and an English training program with Middlesex Community College in Boston, Massachusetts. In my free time, I like listening to music and playing sports with my friends. I live in Pasto. My favorite food is chicken and French potatoes. I like watching TV, especially Discovery Channel, in my free time too. I have been working at the Nat University since 2000 as an English teacher. So, it's a pleasure for me to work with you in this English course level 1. Welcome everybody to this speaking assignment through the Skype. Thank you very much.